Hello future engineers, there is another video in integral calculus, particularly on one application of the iterated integration that is volume bounded by surfaces. Now in this video, the problems are unique because this time the the area to be considered, the area of the region is to be on the YZ plane and the height would be on the X direction, or the height would be in the X direction. So this time. So there are two problems here. So find in two ways the volume in the first octant bounded by the surfaces yz equals ax, y square equals az, and z equals a. So the height of the solid would be yz over a. And let's have the area of the base or of the region on the yz plane. So we have y square equals az and z equals a, and this is plotted as shown. So this is the graph or the trace of y square equals az. We just extrude it towards the x direction. So this is the y-axis, the z-axis. The x direction is towards our viewing direction, towards our eyes. And this is z equals a. This is the area in question. And let's make the final variable outer limits would be the z. So limits, outer limits of z would be z is 0 here and z equals a. The inner limits would be for that of y, and it begins with 0 here to the right. So y here is square root of az, positive square root of az, because we are only considering the region or volume in the first octant. So volume equals integral from 0 to a, integral of 0 to square root of az, yz over a, that's height x, and dy dz. As I said, let's make c the final variable. Then for our second solution, let's uh, reorient, or let's invert. Let's change the position, so dz dy, but let's focus here first. So integrating with respect to y, take note z is constant, so this becomes y square z over 2a from 0 to square root of az dz. So volume equals integral 0 to a quantity y square z over 2a from 0 to square root of az dz. So substituting value of y, so y az square is az, so that becomes az times z over 2a, then minus lower limit 0, integrals 0 to a of az z over 2a minus 0 dz. So simplifying that, that's z square volume equals integral 0 to a of z square over 2 dz. So of course the integral is z cubed over 6, or 1 half z cubed over 3 from 0 to a. So substituting, that's 1/6 a cubed. So volume is 1/6 a cubed, or a cubed over 6. For our second solution, let's make y as our final variable. So y ranges from 0, so that's the thickness of the arrow, that's the direction, that's our strip supposedly. So limits for y would be from 0 to a, so that's y, 0 to a. Then our inner limits would be that of z. So the lower z is y square over a, and the upper z is a. So volume equals integral 0 to a, then integral y square over a to a, then height yz over a, then dz dy. So integrating with respect to z, this is yz square over 2a, integral 0 to a yz square over 2a from y square over a to a dy. So substituting upper limits for z, that would be y a square over 2a. So 1 over 2a, let's factor that out. 0 to a of y a square, right? Then minus y square over a square is y to the fourth over a square. Then lower limit 0 dy. So that would be 1 over 2a integral 0 to a of quantity y a square minus y to the fifth over a square dy. Integrating further, so that's 1 over 2a quantity y square over 2 a square y square over 2 minus y to the 6 over 6 a square 0 to a. Substituting volume equals 1 over 2a quantity a to the fourth over 2 minus a to the fourth over 6 after we cancel out a square here. So that's 1 half minus 1 6 divided by 2, that's a cube times, so using the calculator, volume equals a cube over 6 also. So next, we proceed to the second problem. Find the volume in the first octant bounded by the surfaces y square plus z square equals ax and 2y plus z equals 2a. So again, the height is x. So it is integral. So depending on the chosen variables. So this is the plot of the surface 2y plus z equals 2a. It only appears as a line here, then extrude it towards our eyes. That's the graph of this surface 2y plus z equals 2a. Then when z is 0, y is a after we substitute it here. So that's why x is 0 here, y is a, z is 0. Then here, x is 0, y is 0, so z is 2a. 2a. So let's consider that direction. So this is also the vertical strip. So that means the outer limits would be that of y, and the inner limits would be that of z. So the thickness is dy, so I'll make y as the final variable to be evaluated, and z the inner variable. So volume equals integral of x, then dz dy. That's my intention. Then for your part, follow this direction and solve it by your own, so that you can participate. So volume equals integral 0 to a, because my final variable is y, then integral from z is 0 here to z of that surface, which is 2a minus 2y there. So the z is 2a minus 2y. Then the height x is y square plus z square over a. Then we have dz dy. So for your part, let's you invert the order of the variables. So integrating with respect to z first, so this is volume equals 1 over a integral 0 to a of quantity y square z plus z cube over 3 from 0 to 2a minus 2y, then dy. So substituting, that would be volume equals 1 over a integral 0 to a y square times 2a minus 2y plus quantity 2a minus 2y cubed over 3, then minus the lower limit for z, everything is 0. So simplifying, volume equals 1 over a integral 0 to a of 2ay squared minus 2y cubed plus 8 over 3 quantity a minus y cubed. So take note, there is 2 common here. 2 cubed is 8. Then divide by 3, a minus y quantity cube dy. So integrating with respect to y, volume equals 1 over a quantity 2a 2 thirds a y cube minus y to the fourth over 2 plus 8 thirds a minus y negative a minus y to the fourth over 4 0 to a. Take note, this is negative because if we put u be a minus y, the differential is negative dy. So that's why it's negative. Then 0 to a, volume equals 1 over a. This becomes 2 thirds a to the fourth minus a to the fourth over 2 minus 0, 2 thirds, then 0 to the fourth minus lower limit 0, 0, then negative for here when y is 0, negative 2 thirds a to the fourth. So factor out a to the fourth divided by a, so that's a cubed, then 2 thirds plus 2 thirds, 4 thirds minus 1 half. So a cubed quantity 4 thirds minus 1 half. So volume equals 5, 6 a cubed. So that's it for this video. I hope that you were able to follow the explanations and the solutions.